Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to change provisional driving license address. Step 1. Start at the official DVLA website host. So first you'll need to go to the official gov.uk website for the DVLA. The link to this will be in the description below. This is the only secure place to make this change. When you're there, navigate to Change My Driving License Address section to begin with the application. Step 2. Enter your personal and address details. You'll start by providing your basic personal details such as your name, date of birth, and gender, all these information, and ensure that they are accurate. Next, enter your current postcode to find your address from the list. If you've lived there for less than 3 years, you'll also be prompted to enter your previous addresses. Provide your license and security info. The system will ask for your driver number, which is found on your photocard license. You'll also need to confirm that the address on your physical license is one of the ones you've provided. Then you'll need to input security details like your national insurance number and optionally your UK passport number. Step number 4. Check your disqualification status. You'll be asked a quick question about whether you're currently disqualified from driving. Make sure to answer this honestly to proceed. Step 5. Review and submit and confirm. You'll get a chance to review all the information you've entered. Carefully read the final declaration, agree to the terms, and submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email to the address you provided. And lastly, step 6, you'll need to return your old license. Once your new driving license with the updated address arrives, you must send your old license back to the DVLA. You'll find instructions on how to do this, including the return address included in your new license. And that's it. The whole process is free and your new license should arrive within 1 to 2 weeks. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to change your provisional driving license address.